Okay, so let's work on problem 941 together. We're going to use our calculator, so I have this all set up for you. And let's go ahead and start right away. We'll read the problem here. If you borrow $9,441 today and are required to pay back the loan in 5 equal annual installments of $2,750, what is the interest rate associated with the loan? So let's draw that up here. So we're going to borrow $9,441 today, okay? And then we're going to have to make payments of $2,750 each year for the next 5 years to pay that down to zero, okay? So we're not going to owe anything at the end of that period of time. So you can see we have all of the information that we need to fill in our buttons that we're going to use on our calculator. First of all, n equals 5 years. We're solving for the interest rate. That was the question. We don't know what the interest rate is yet, but when we're done with this calculation, we will. The present value is going to be the amount that we borrowed. Okay, that's $9,441. The payment, we have to pay out. We borrowed this, we received it. We have to pay out $2,750. So we're going to put that in as a negative, $2,750. And at the end of this process, we will owe nothing. So our future value is 0. What is our interest rate? That's the question. So let's go ahead and get our calculators out and turn them on. And the first thing, remember, the first thing we always want to do is clear our time value of money buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and clear second and FV button. That clears our time value of money functions. Then I'm going to type the number 5 and the N button. That programs that 5 in there. IY we're going to leave alone because we're going to calculate that. That's our interest rate. Present value 9,441, and I'm going to push the PV button. And then our payment is $2,750, $2,750. I'm going to type that, and then the plus minus button. That converts that number to a negative. The plus minus button is in the bottom right hand corner. And then I'm going to push the PMT button. That programs that number in there. And then I'm going to push 0 just to be on the safe side, and the FV button. Alright. Now I'm ready to compute IY. Okay, so I'm going to push the compute button and the IY button. And my answer ends up being, the interest rate ends up being 14%. 14%. In other words, I'm being charged 14% interest on this loan.